Your 5-point flat roof inspection checklist coming up next.
Number 1. Look for interior staining. Look at your ceiling and ceiling tiles. Do you see brown or yellowish water spots? Is the ceiling paint starting to bulge? This could be a symptom of a leak above. Number 2. Check for flat roof soft spots. Taking all the necessary safety precautions, climb the roof and check out the valleys where debris is collected. Is the roof material a bit spongy and soft? This could be a sign of failure. Number 3. Look for penetrations. Look for every fold and seam in the roof membrane and around pipes, vents, and corners. Each penetration is another possibility of water intrusion. A quick test for these penetrations is to poke around with a small nail file, then pour a small amount of water and see if the water is able to seep through. If the water does seep through, then you have sealant failure. Number 4. Check the drains. If your primary roof drain is clogged with debris, your roof overflow drain will kick into action. There's usually a pipe that spouts out the side of the building to empty the overflow drain, which means you won't see water coming out of the pipe unless your primary drain is clogged. Number 5. Check the gutters. Make sure no leaves or other debris are blocking your gutters. If the gutters are clogged, they can cause water to back up and cause damage to your roof. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this one.